Good morning, children. Welcome to Inspira live classes. Today I am going to explain key of 13th August 2020 dated assignment solutions. This assignment contains the four sums. Let me explain one by one. Now the first question is, find the cube root of 74,088 by prime factorization method. As cube root of 74,088 by prime factorization method. So first let us do the prime factorization. This one 74,088 will do the prime factorization. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 0, 2 4s and 4s. Again with 2. 2 1s are 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s 2 2s. Again can divide with 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12 and 2 1s are 2. So this one cannot divide with 2. Now let us try with 3. 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 1 18. Sum of the digits is divided with 18. So this will be divided with 18. 3. Okay, that means 3 3s are 9, 0, 3 8s are 24, 2 will be left 21, 3 7s are 21. Again with 3, 3 1s are 3, 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. Okay, this one when divide with 3 will get 1029. Now this one also can divide with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, again 3 3s are 9. Now this one can divide with 7. 7 4s are 28, 6 7 9s are 63. Again 7 7s. So 74,088 can be write as 2 is repeated 3 times, 3 is repeated 3 times and 7 is also repeated 3 times. So 2 cube into 3 cube into 7 cube. So cube root of 74,088 is equal to cube root of 2 into 3 into 7 whole cube. So 2 into 3 into 7 whole cube, that is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. So this cube and cube root cancel. 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Therefore cube root of 74,088 is equal to 42. So this is the first sum solution by prime factorization, cube root of the given number. In the same way, let me explain the second one. Find the cube root of 13,824. Second one is 13,824. Find the cube root of 13,824 by prime factorization method. So find the cube root of this number. Now let us do the prime factorization. 13,824. First divide with 2. 2 6s are 12. 1 will be left. 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2 2s. Again with 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 6. Again can divide with 2. 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 2 8s. Maybe again can divide with 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s, 2 6s are 12. 2 4s. This one's again can divide with 2. 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s. Again this one can divide with 2. 2 2s, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 6s are 12. Okay. Again this one can divide with 2. 2 133. 2 133. See somewhere 2 6s are 12. 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Okay. Now with 2, 2 1s are 2, 14, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 8s are 16, 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Now again 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4 and 2 16s here, see that. 2 1s are 2 6, 2 432. Now with 2, 2 1s 108, again with 2, 254, again with 2, 227, now with 3, 3 9s, now with again 3, 3 3s. Now see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 13,824 can be write as 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. Am I correct? 2 is repeated 9 times. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube. Again 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube. Again 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube. So now cube root of 13,824 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 whole cube. Again cube root now. Now this cube root and whole cube cancel. We'll get 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So cube root of 13,824 is equal to 24. So this is the second sum solution. Now let me explain the third one. A third one is the estimation method. This is a little bit interesting one. Just see now. Find the cube root of 857375. 857375. Find the cube root of this number. 857375. Cube root of this number. So easy way we can find the cube root of this number. This one from right to left will divide into that equal number of the parts as a 3 digits as a one group. For example, I will take the this number 857375. Now this number will be divided as a parts from right to left, every 3 digits as a one group. Now see that 5 is a units digit, next 7 is a tens digit, next 3 is the hundreds digits. These are the first 3 digits from right to left. So I will divide them in this way. Now from this place you will go to the left side. Again we have the 3 more digits. So this number can be divided as a just 2 groups only. Sometimes we can divide as a 3 groups, sometimes we can divide as a 4 groups according to the based on the number. So this number can be divided as a 2 groups. So this is the first group and this is the second group. From the first group, we can find the units digit of our answer. Here, what is the digit in units place? 5. So, by cubing which digit, we'll get the 5. 1 cube is 1. When 1 will be cubing itself, we'll get 1. 2 cube 8. Digit in units place 8. 3 cube 27. Digit in units place 7. I will write here list out. 1 cube 1. 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 260, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729 and 10 cube 1000. These are enough. Now see here, the digit units place will get 5. here. So compulsory this will be the cube of the 5. So our answer cube root of 857375 is equal to our units digit is 5 compulsory. Again one more digit I want, that is the digit in tens place. That one how you can identify. This 857 is lies between 729 and 1000. Is it clear? Once again, this 857, 729 less than 857 less than 1000. That's why among this 12, smallest one is 729. So always we'll consider the smallest one. Smallest one is which cube? 9. Smallest one is which cube? 9. So 9 cube is equal to 729. So here 9 is our answer. You can verify 95 into 95 into 95. You will get 857375. That means the cube root of 857375 is equal to 95 only. Okay. So I hope you understand. So that is the fourth one. Now let me explain the last one. Find the cube root of now see that find the cube root of 17,576. 17,576. Now what I said in the first step, we'll take the given number 17,576. We'll divide as a 3 digits as a one group from right to left. 3 digits as a one group from right to left. First digit, second digit, third digit. Now remaining we have the just 2 digits only. No problem. We'll take the 0. 0, 1, 7 is the 3 digits. Next group. So this is the first group. And this is the second group. Now digital units plus 6. Here clearly when do the 6 cube we only will get the 216. There is no digit in the 6 in the digital units place is 6. So when you cubing on the 6 cube only 216. So cube root of 17576. The digit in units place is 6. Now I want to identify the digit in tens place. Then how you can identify the digit in tens place? The remaining number is 17. 17 is lies between 8 and 27. Okay, 8 less than 17 less than 27. Nothing but 2 cube less than 17 less than 3 cube. So our tens digit is 2. Our tens digit is 2. So cube root of 17576 is equal to 26 is our answer. In this way, by estimation method, easy way you can find the cube roots of the given number. Thank you, children. These are the today's assignment solutions. All the best.